Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Umar Durrani and I'm here to share my experiences about online selling and making money online. On this channel, all we're going to learn is about e-commerce. Amazon, Shopify, eBay, Etsy, you name it, Alibaba.com. And we will also learn about how to find products, how to find profitable products, how to source them, where to source them from, how to ship them to Amazon, and how to ship them like to our customers and make some money. I will be uploading weekly videos on here, and as I said, I'll be documenting my journey, plus I'll be sharing my experiences, and I will show you guys how to make money online from the comfort of your own home. So guys, if this is your first time over here, please do not forget to like, subscribe and share this content, and also do not forget to click on the bell icon so you can get notification every time I upload a new video. So see you guys on the journey of success. Let's grow together.